Hey folks, Vector Potential here. Got a challenge lock tonight from Doc Machina called The Resident. Alright, now we're making some progress. Okay. There we go. Okay, just got hung up on pin 5 there. Cool. I don't know if anyone's studied this in video yet, so we'll do this real quick. This, get my shim. Where did I put the key? Here it is. Alright, so some engraving from Doc. Number 2, I picked the resident. No, I'm sorry, this is the resident. I picked the intern several months ago. Here's your bidding. Oops. Come on. Oops. Come on. There we go. Put that right there. And this. There we go. Set you right there for now. There are no modifications to the plug. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right. All standard key pins. Let me focus. There we go. So pin 1 is a T pin. Oops. This is kind of like a taper or something. You know, the first few locks or challenge locks that Doc has made, she has done all these pins by hand, which takes a lot of work. That one's a pretty serious taper right there. See how rounded it is? Almost kind of looks like a key pin, but it's on both sides. You could call that a trampoline, but it's a pretty low cut. So we don't really get to do anything with the top side of it. Come on. Here's that spring. Now we'll get the last two. All right. So this is what I was hung up on. Is this little lip right there? Or and then just onto this guy, but that one's a nice looking spool. Cool. Well, this came in a package from Otter Arms. Thank you very much for sending it to me. And thanks, Doc, for making a challenge lock. It was fun. I will be sure to send it on. Thank you all.